Hello friends, today we're going to be replacing a taillight on a 2016 F150. You're going to need a ratchet handle, an 8mm socket, and a nut driver to get everything out quickly and easily. It's a super easy job. Let's get started. The old one's being replaced because there's a crack in the lens. You can see the damage starts up high and goes down to the edge of where the backup light is, right there. There's a little hole in it. That has caused some yucky looking grayish brown buildup across the bottom of the reflector here that I just don't like seeing because it's not very shiny, and I wanted to replace it. I started out by checking the local scrap yards and nothing was available. Marketplace had used ones for between $40 and $75. I got this on Amazon, and this is the best non-OEM replacement part I've ever purchased. Everything matches perfectly, the size, the dimensions, the mounting. Even the little ripples here on the surface of the lenses have the same number of ridges and cuts that the factory original one did. The only thing missing is the little Ford logo oval. And this was only 30 bucks. Can you believe it? Remove the two 8mm bolts that go through the side of the hatchback opening into the light fixture. Gently wiggle it a little bit just to make sure it's not hung up on anything. Here are the two pins that push into the connector clips on the side of the body. Get a grip on it and carefully but firmly pull it outward toward the back of the truck. Don't swing it sideways, pull it straight backward because that's how the pins clip in. And once this is off, we can squeeze the little connector tabs on the taillight bulbs and pull them off, or we can just twist the light assembly right out and stick those directly into the new light fixture because it comes with the bulb holders as well. Then carefully insert and twist the bulb holders firmly into the proper position so they're locked in. Make sure your wires aren't hitting anything and carefully slide the light assembly back into the fender. Make sure it's flush all the way around. You might have to tap on it a little bit with the palm of your hand and reinsert the 8mm bolts. I thoroughly inspected this and checked it over and could not find any differences between this and the OEM part. I'm sure you'll be very happy with it. Click on the link in the description of the video so you can get it yourself, and this is something you certainly can do yourself. Save some money, because if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.